Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to make Google Chrome your default web browser. So we're here in our desktop. Now we need to go to the Windows button and then straight to Settings. In the Settings we need to click Apps. In the Apps we have to find a place where you set up the default apps, so it's right here, default apps, and that's where you choose your default apps. Now, for the web browser, there is a Microsoft Edge chosen. That's because it's recommended for Windows 10. That's their product. We just click Google Chrome and we click Switch Anyway. As soon as you switch it, the Google Chrome becomes the default search engine, and that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.